We found him! Uh-oh.
Oh, come on!
What? Red!
Guys, come on! Quick phone!
Things are looking sunny side up!
Guys, I'm here. Everything's gonna be okay. We're gonna get you out of
Hurry
here.
up, Mom! Come on!
Don't lose me!
Didn't this nightmare ever end?
Oh, boy. What is he doing up there? This is a civilized buffet! Don't hatch now. Do not hatch now.
Get that red scab off my eggs!
Hey!
Oh, man.
Mom, are you okay?
Oh, I've been better.
I'm gonna get a running start.
Fine. Boil him, too.
Let's pig out!
Looks like it's just you and me, pork belly. I'll be taking that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey! Oh! No!
Red, we're coming!
Deep breath.
I'm in! Classy joint.
Hello! Where is everyone?
An eagle! Where's he going?
Oh, I can't believe I'm about to do this.
Hey-yoo!
Oh, our battle cry? Coming in, coming in. Mighty Eagle! Whoa! Mighty Eagle! Mighty Eagle, wake up, come on! Oh, that's bad breath.
I can sleep late, Mom. It's not a school day.
Throw them in the pot, too. I'll have the big turkey. Whoa, what did I miss?
You gotta fly those eggs to safety.
I got this. Here we go.
Yes, yes, yes! My eggs! Don't forget Chuck and Bomb!
Who?
Hey, those guys!
Right, right.
Gotcha! You're not getting away that easy.